the writer of Sworn. I'm here with my brother,
Calvin Ellis, the illustrator of Sworn and Shadowhunters.
and we are here coming at you from Scattered Comics and Echo Comics to promote Free Comic Book Day here at River City Comics on May 3rd. We're going to be giving away our first issue of Sworn, revised under Scattered Comics' name, and we're giving it away for free. Free. And Calvin's going to be doing something really special on that day too. Why don't you tell him about it, Calvin?
Yeah, I'm bringing a little bit of the con experience here, so I'm going to be doing the Make Me Into an Anime for half off. So don't miss it.
Don't miss out.
May 3rd.
May 3rd.
Peace out.
Peace out.